Now I'm taking example wherein we have three numbers. So let us choose any three numbers. Let's say 8 or let's say 14, 20. Any numbers I have taken. Any three numbers I have taken now. Okay. So now let us make prime factors, children. What are the prime factors of 8?
2 into 2 into 2.
2 into 2 into 2.
2 into 2 into 2.
What about 14?
2 into
2
7.
into 7.
2 into 7. 2 into 7.
And 2 into
20?
7.
2 into 2 into 5.
Into 2 into 5.
2 into 5.
Okay. Now I would advise you one thing, since there is 2 and here also 2 is appearing. So we may just write 7 this side. Let us keep the path clear. Okay? Children, I would like to discuss LCM here with you. What should be LCM according to you? Which is the common number?
2.
2.
2.
So this 2 will come. I'm marking a green box here so that you can relate that this common 2 is come here once. What about another pair of 2? Will it be counted one time, 2 times?
One
Can I
time.
take 2 common?
One time.
Is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
question in your mind that why it is not common, so it should not be taken common? Is a question like this coming to your mind?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for that matter, let us see this. Let us stick to the pattern that we have been following for so long. Let us divide by 2. What will come here, children?
Ma'am, 4,
4,
7.
7, 10.
10.
7.
Now in this step, who has divided all three numbers?
2.
Yes, ma'am.
2.
So this is my green box.
Ma'am, 2.
2 is common to all three. Next
Yes,
step of
ma'am.
Yes.
taking 2. What
2.
will happen?
2.
2,
7.
7,
5.
2, 7, 5.
5.
Is this red mark? It has divided
yes,
these two.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is dividing only 2 numbers. But is it being counting one time or 2 times?
ma'am. 2
1
times.
time.
2
2
times.
will be
time.
one time, ना? तो ये वाला 2 भी मैं common लूंगी या नहीं? After that I will have 1.
7.
Divide by 5.
5 and 7.
7. 1.
7.
7. 1. 1. 1.
So how to find LCM? Whatever is common, even to 2 numbers or 3 numbers, that will be used or taken only once. जो कॉमन नंबर है जो तीनों में कॉमन है या सिर्फ 2 में भी कॉमन है बेटा वो सिर्फ वन टाइम काउंट होगा. I've given you example here. And then whatever is left as it is. Whatever is left as it is. ये वाले तीनों है. Can you relate it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have you understood now, beta? Even if it is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
common to 3, then also it will be counted one time. I've given you example why. क्योंकि ये एक ही स्टेप में दोनों को डिवाइड कर रहा है and it is being counted only one time, not 2 different times. ठीक है? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
the product here of all these
280.
numbers?
280.
280.
As I told you, make group of 5 and 2. This gives you 10. So 2 2s are
Yes,
4 into 7, 28 and 2 8.
280.
And how about HCF? What should be HCF?
2.
2.
Only 2. Only that 2 which is common to all. Only. Clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Ma'am.
And here we are dealing with 3 numbers. So the product of LCM and HCF will not be equal to these 3. That result is valid only when we are dealing with 2 numbers. Okay? Yes, Ishita, you want to ask something?
यस मैम.
बोलो बेटा.
मैम मुझे भी समझ नहीं आया मैम. 2 मैम सेकंड स्टेप में हम लोग क्यों लेंगे मैम? वो 7 को तो नहीं डिवाइड कर रहा है.
So beta, but we do like this only, na? You have been doing this in class 7, 8, 9. We do
Yes, ma'am.
divide by the numbers, है ना? So 7 को तो it doesn't divide. We write 7 as it is. है ना बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
It's dividing 4 and 10, but not 7. So 7 will appear as it is. Now, since 2 has divided both 4 and 10, sorry, so it is counted only one time. We are not counting it 2 times. है ना? That is lowest common multiple. The common number which is coming in their table will be counted only one time. That is how we do, na? Like here I have taken 5. 5 does not divide 7. So we write 7 as it is. Ji beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is what we are doing. Children, please keep in mind LCM into HCF of 3 numbers is not equal to product of these 3. That result is applicable only for 2 numbers. Only for 2 numbers. Yes, Mayank.